Good evening, friends. This is time for the trade plan of 23rd of March 2021. Sorry. Now let's start with the S&P 500. S&P 500 has opened well and is now trading well above 30 odd points. Now you see here, this is my favorite pattern called the 20 DMA halt. This is the daily chart, and you can see that S&P 500 corrected to its 20 and has now reversed. This sort of pattern gives you a very sharp rally on the upside, because from a sideways situation, this indicates that the market is ready for a trend. So that way we should expect this sort of action on S&P 500. And if you see the US 10-year bond yield, this bond yield has started to cool off. If you look at the dollar index, that has started to also cool off. Now, whether both these things are temporary or permanent, time will tell, but it's clear that, at higher levels, both these items are not finding buying. Before we move forward, let me request you to like, share, subscribe the channel. And for membership services, you can visit our join button on the YouTube channel, and you have platinum, gold, silver, diamond, copper, etc. And today we've carried home, call positions for 14,900, 1st of April expiry. So there was this sense that the market is probably heading on the upside. So these sort of positioning ahead of time can be done by taking up those sort of services. If you have questions, WhatsApp 98710 or email ashwani_gujral at yahoo.com. That is ASHWANI_GUJRAL at yahoo.com. Or just straight away go to the channel, choose your service and do the formalities, and you are ready to go. Now let's look at the Nifty here. Now Nifty, again, something I want to point out. Look at this pattern here and this pattern here. At both places, you got an inside day, which we spoke about even yesterday. So an inside day at the end of a decline often is a bottoming out pattern, and it's possible that the Nifty is looking at levels over 15,000 now, and maybe 15,050, 15,100. That seems possible. Now this is the easy part. Let's just quickly have a look at the pivot situation. Nifty pivot is 14,700 thereabouts. So above 14,700, Nifty is positive. Tomorrow's target could be 14,865. But my sense is that you could have a very sharp rally in global markets now that this yield and dollar index is looking like it's in control. Now the interesting question here is the Bank Nifty, which looks weaker of the two. Now Bank Nifty has made some kind of a W pattern, some kind of range it has formed here. And in case the Bank Nifty is able to gap up and sustain the gap, there is lots of short covering which is likely on Bank Nifty. So I wouldn't be surprised that if in this rally Bank Nifty does not make a high but easily goes back to 34,700 to 35,000. So it will lag, but it could have some sharp rallies to help the Nifty higher. The Bank Nifty pivot is 33,713, and if it starts to rally, I would think 34,472 could be a level on the Bank Nifty, because today there was a bit of selling by FIIs, and chances are they sold these banks. But often, when there is a particular reason for certain markets to correct, when that reason goes away, the pullback is also equally sharp. The Bank Nifty is now trading below the 20, below the 50, although it remains in a strong uptrend. So that way it has completed a fairly strong correction, and now chances are that it should look towards the upside. As far as uh, these call positions are concerned, there isn't too much call writing today, before 15,000. So 15,000, it seems a bit clear that 15,000 the market can easily rally up to. The put writing still needs to pick up. So there is still a lack of confidence on the put side. But my sense is that if global markets turn, I think the Nifty will turn fairly sharply. And today's move was impressive. Mid caps did well, pharma, IT, FMCG did very well. So that way, if the banks stabilize, you could easily have a fairly strong upside on the Nifty. Bank Nifty, on the other hand, has decent call writing at 34,000 and at 34,500. So that way, Bank Nifty, again, very meager numbers are at lower levels. So Bank Nifty has resistance much stronger than the Nifty. But I would think that once we are able to maintain 34,000, there could be fairly strong short covering which could be coming in on the banks. So one of these days, you will have a fairly large move on banks and hence the Nifty also. So that should be it for the moment. Take care, trade well, and please consult your financial advisor. If we do a 80 to 100 point gap up tomorrow and sustain, then that gap would help us take go past these hurdles. So that way tomorrow could be a fairly strong trending kind of session. So take care and good night.